I am J. Lavanya, 3rd BCom, Department of Commerce, KCS Karsanada College of Arts and Science. Set off and carry forward of losses. Introduction. Income tax is levied on the total income of the previous year of an assessee. Hence, it is necessary to ascertain his total income. Sometimes an assessee may incur loss from particular source of income, and unless such loss is set off against the other income, the net result of the assessee activities during a particular accounting year cannot be ascertained, and consequently the tax payable also cannot be determined. For this purpose, the Income Tax Act contains specific provision. Section 70, Section 80 for the set off and carry forward of losses. Scheme of set off and carry forward and set off. The procedure of set off and carry forward and set off operates as follows, subject to the condition as prescribed. Intra-head or inter-source set-off, inter-head set-off, carry forward of unadjusted loss, order set-off. Set-off of losses, intra-head or inter-source set-off, that is, set-off loss against income from any source under the same head. If there is more than one source of income under any head, the loss from one or more sources can be set off against the income from any other sources under the same head. For example, loss from self-occupied house under the head house property can be set off against the income from other letter house. Similarly, one specific business under the head profit and gains from the business or profession can set off against any other business income. Short-term capital loss. Capital loss can be set off against any capital gain. Under the head, other source loss from an activity can set off against any income. Expectation. There are some expectation to the provision as regarding intra-head set off as under loss from speculation of business, loss long-term capital loss from activity of owning and maintaining resource. No loss can set off against winning from lotteries, crossword puzzles, card games, etc. Loss from source which is exempt. Inter set off or set off against income under other head. Section 71 procedure of set off. If the amount of loss from any source under any head of income cannot be set off against income from any other sources under the same head, either because of absence or inadequate of income from other sources under that head, then such unadjusted loss can be set off against income under any heads. Thus, loss from house property, if it cannot be set off against income from other house property, can be set off against income from salary, business, capital gains, or income from other sources. Expectation to enter a set off. There are 7 expectation to the provision as regarding enter a set off as described below. Loss under head house property, loss under the head business, loss under head capital gains, loss under the head capital gains, loss under any head of income other than capital gain, loss from speculation, loss from the activity of owning and maintaining resource, cash flow incomes, loss from source which exempt. Carry forward and set off losses. Only the following losses can be carried forward to subsequent years to be set off against income or profit of those years. House property, business loss, speculation loss, capital loss, loss on account of owning and maintaining resource, only loss to be carried forward from other sources. Condition to be satisfied. There are 2 conditions to be satisfied before loss is allowed to be carried forward. Equipment of filing or filing of return of loss must be satisfied. The return of loss must be submitted on or before the due date for filing of return prescribed under sections 139(1). Loss to determine by assessing officer. The loss has been determined by assessing officer in as usual course. However, loss under the head income from house property and unobserved depreciation can be carried forward even if the return is not filed within the due date mentioned under section 139(1). Carry forward and set off losses under house property. Section 71B. Carry forward and set off business losses other than speculation loss. Section 72. Carry forward and set off speculation loss. Section 73. Carry forward and set off loss under the head capital gain. Section 74. Carry forward and set off loss in respect of owning and maintaining resource. Section 74A. Sum number 1. Sri Sudhar, an individual, submits the following information relevant for the assessment year 2020-21. Particular profit rupees, loss rupees. Salary income computed, profit 84,000. Income from house property, house X 30,000 profit, house Y loss 34,000, house Z loss 42,000. Profit and gains of business or profession. Business A 60,000, business B loss 20,000, business C profit 22,000, business D loss 46,000. Non-speculation business A and business B, speculation business C and D. Capital gain. Short-term capital gain, profit 12,000, short-term capital loss 56,000, long-term capital gain, profit 25,000. Income from other source, income from card game, profit 38,000, income from betting 30,000, loss from card games, loss 14,000, loss on maintenance of resource, loss 12,000, interest on security, profit 8,000. Compute the gross total income of Sudhar for the assessment year 20-21. Solution. Intra-source set-off. Computation of gross total income of Sri Sudhar. Previous year 2019-20. Assessment year 20-21. Particular rupees. Income from salary 84,000. Income from house property, house X 30,000, house Y minus 34,000, house Z minus 42,000. 30,000 minus 34,000, 4,000 minus 4,000 minus 4,000 minus 42,000 minus 46,000. Profit and gain of business or profession. Non-speculation business A 60,000, business B minus 20,000. Net non-speculation of loss minus 4,000. Speculation business C 22,000, business D minus 46,000. Speculation of loss carry forward minus 24,000. business D minus 46,000 தான் நான் மைனஸ் சிம்பிள் மறந்துட்டேன், சாரி. Capital gain. Short-term capital gain 12,000, short-term capital loss minus 56,000. Net short-term capital gain minus 44,000. Long-term capital gain 25,000. Net short-term capital loss minus add LTG minus 44 plus 25 பண்ணால் மைனஸில் தான் ஆன்சர் வரும். மைனஸ் ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் கேபிட்டல் லாஸ் கேரி ஃபார்வர்ட் minus 90,000. இன்கம் ஃப்ரம் அதர் சோர்ஸ் கேஷுவல் இன்கம் ஃப்ரம் கார்ட் கேம் 38,000, இன்கம் ஃப்ரம் பீட்டிங் 30,000. ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் 68,000. Interest on security 8,000. Loss on maintenance of resource. Loss on maintenance of resource carry forward minus 12,000. Now second one the net income கண்டுபிடிக்க inter age set off and carry forward computation of net income particular rupees. Income from salary 84,000. Income from other sources other than cashable income 8,000. கேஷ்வல் இன்கம் வந்து விட்டுடணும். கேஷ்வல் இன்கம்மோட வேல்யூ வந்து 68,000 நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கும். அது இல்லாமல் வேல்யூ தான் எடுக்கணும். அது இல்லாமல் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் செக்யூரிட்டி 8,000 லெஸ் லாஸ் ஃப்ரம் நான் ஸ்பெகுலேஷன் பிஸ்னஸ் மைனஸ் 4,000. ரெண்டுத்தையும் மைனஸ் பண்ணால் ஆன்சர் 4,000 லெஸ் லாஸ் செட் ஆஃப் லாஸ் ஆஃப் ஹவுஸ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி 46,000. 84,000 ப்ளஸ் 4,000 ஆட் பண்ண 88,000 லெஸ் லாஸ் ஆன் ஹவுஸ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி 46,000 ரெண்டுத்தையும் மைனஸ் பண்ணால் 42,000. கேஷ்வல் இன்கம் வந்து 68,000 இது வந்து ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஆட் பண்ணால் கிராஸ் டோட்டல் இன்கம் 1,10,000. இப்போ லாஸ் கேரி ஃபார்வர்டோட வேல்யூ வந்து ஸ்பெகுலேஷன் லாஸ் 24,000, ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் கேபிட்டல் லாஸ் 90,000, லாஸ் ஆன் மெயின்டெனன்ஸ் ஆஃப் கேசஸ் வந்து 12,000. மூணுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் 55,000. Sum number 2. Sri John resident in the jeweler provides the following information relevant to the previous year ending March 31, 2020. Particular rupees. Income from salary computed 72,000. Income from house property computed house number 1 24,000, house 2 60,000, house 3 self-occupied 20,000. Profit and gain of a business or profession. Business 1 25,000, business 2 20,000 minus 20,000, business 3 speculation 40,000, business 4 speculation minus 75,000. Business 1 and 2 வந்து non speculation, business 2 and 3 and 4 வந்து speculation. Capital gain, short term capital loss minus 13,000, long term capital gain 7,000. Income from other source computed, income from security minus 20,000, bank interest 10,000, income from card game 30,000, income from betting 30,000, loss of gambling minus 60,000. Income on maintenance of resource at Chennai minus 40,000, at Bangalore 30,000. Determine the gross total for assessment year 2019-20. Solution. Enter source set of computation of gross total income of Srijan Limit. Srijan. Previous year 19 to 20, assessment year 20 to 21. Particular rupees. Salary income 72,000, income from house property, house 1 24,000, house 2 minus 60,000, minus panna 36,000, answer minus 36,000, minus 36,000, house 3 minus 20,000, minus 36,000 minus 20,000 ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணி மைனஸ் சிம்பிள் 56,000. Profit and gain from business or profession, non-speculation, business 1 25,000, business 2 20,000 ரெண்டுத்தையும் மைனஸ் பண்ண ஆன்சர் 5,000. Speculation business 3 40,000, business 4 minus 75,000 ரெண்டுத்தையும் மைனஸ் பண்ணால் minus 35,000. Carry forward. Capital gain, short term capital gain capital loss வந்து minus 30,000, long term capital gain 7,000, carry forward value minus 6,000. Income from other source, bank interest 10,000, income from security minus 10,000 ரெண்டுத்தையும் மைனஸ் பண்ணால் minus 10,000. Loss from maintenance of resource at Chennai minus 40,000, at Bangalore 30,000 ரெண்டுத்தையும் மைனஸ் பண்ணால் minus 10,000. Casual income, income from card games 30,000, income from beating 30,000. ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் 60,000. Loss from gambling minus 60,000. Enter a set off and carry forward. Computation of net income. Income from salary 72,000. Add income from non-speculation business 5,000. Less loss set off. Loss on house property. Income property 56,000. Income from salary 10,000. ரெண்டுத்தையும் add பண்ணால் 66,000. 77,000 minus 66,000 11,000. Add income from other source. Casual income 60,000. 11,000 plus 60,000. Gross total income வந்து 71,000. Loss carry forward. Speculation loss 35,000. Short term capital loss 6,000. Raise of maintenance 10,000. Add பண்ணா 51,000. Thank you for the opportunity.